Gold yesterday had some more small issues going upwards because 4184.67, a resistance level, which is visible right here on the chart on the daily time frame, was experiencing some kind of a bearish sentiment right here around this area of resistance, and the price was returning slightly back down, making a retrace. And we can see that on the daily candle, where we have a larger wick on the upper side, smaller wick on the lower side, and some small body created here visible. And we can see that there is small bearish sentiment right here at the resistance, but we can see that small bearish sentiment was not so strong that could push the price further down to the area of support, or even further down below this area of support. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see how the price reacted yesterday around this area of resistance. Very close to this area of resistance, the price returned back down, forming a strong retrace back down and a small bearish candle. After that, the price continued to lose its value to the first support level, and that is 4092.28, and from here the price recovered and going further up. After the price formed this bullish candle yesterday, I have informed the traders inside the premium analysis that the price will try to continue to rise again to very close to this area of resistance, and we can see after 4-hour time frame candle, the price continued to rise in value, and it has reached the area of resistance, and the target was reached. What we can expect today based on this one, what we can see? Well, first of all, what I can see, the price has created a strong bullish candle here on the 4-hour time frame that has closed above this area of resistance, and we can see that here, where the price yesterday experienced a very strong retrace back down, a bearish sentiment. So the bulls who have entered into trade and pushed the price all the way to this area of resistance, they have exited the trades here, and that is also a reaction why the price has retraced back down. A small retrace back down again to this area of support was also selling pressure that was waiting around this area of resistance, but we can see that was not so strong. The price recovered immediately, and this strong bullish momentum that has been created in this candle in the last 4-hour time frame suggests further rise in value, because strong bullish momentum has pushed the price all the way here. Very small wick, which means there is no sellers waiting anymore here, pushing the price down. And we can see that here with this wick on the lower side that is currently created. And if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we'll see how that behaves. We can see, just a minute, we can see that it is a strong bullish candle that has been created, and then there is a retrace going down right here at the resistance level. We can see the candle, which is a bearish candle, could not close below this area of support, which is at the start of this bullish candle, which means there is no selling pressure strong enough to push the price further down below this area of support. Now we can see the price on the 1-hour time frame is creating a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, which means if it closes above this area of resistance, it will try to move further up. And we can see on the 4-hour time frame that the next resistance is 4332.59, but there is small resistance level that I will also create on the chart between this area of resistance and this area of currently acting as a support. So the price will try to will react as a resistance somewhere in between, and we'll check that with the Fibonacci expansion levels later on, and I will also share that with the traders inside the premium analysis. So for now, I'm expecting that the gold will try to reach to the higher price levels. Where it will stop, well, it's very hard to predict, but let's go step by step and see what are the small resistance level in between, and also how the price reacts in between them, creating a support and resistance levels, like in this example here, where we can see the price has created a resistance. It has bounced back down, but it has recovered and formed a bullish breakout, and that means going above this area, which is currently 4139.25, is the resistance that has been broken and currently acting as a support. So for now, still bullish. The price is reaching all-time high price level again each day, so there is no selling pressure, and we can see that on the daily time frame. That is suggesting that there is a potential of a breakout to the lower side, reaching to the lower price levels. In this example here, with this bearish candle, it was a small glitch where the price managed to reach the support level but could not go below this area of support, indicating further decline in value, but the price recovered and continued to rise in value, and we can see reaching all-time high price level each day. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.